So next up, guys, got a nice truck here. Actually, two trucks, both day cabs coming in from the same home. This one here is a 1998 Freightliner Century. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but you know, for the vintage guys, truck is in really nice shape. It's not rusty. It's got all aluminum rims. It's got a Cummins M11 diesel motor. It's got a Autoshift Automatic transmission. It does have a clutch. Two 70-gallon fuel tanks on this one, guys. Have right at 140-gallon fuel capacity. Rubber's really good all the way around. Steers and drives both have a lot of life left. Got mud flaps, sliding fifth wheel. Cabs are nice and clean. They got the heat AC. This truck here is showing right around 706,000 miles, guys. Starts up. I'm here with the consignor. He's going to fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. And it's a cold day, and both of these trucks, he said, fired right up, pulled them out. So, when you think about 1998, I mean, this truck is extremely clean. Both really good grain hauling trucks, and that's what they use them for. This does have that Cummins, got the Autoshift Automatic transmission, guys. Nice demo, 706,000 miles. Good luck, guys.